Alright, hello and welcome to a new tutorial. So it's been a while since I've uploaded a tutorial, but I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys like getting me from 1,500 subs to 1,600 subs, mostly off of no videos and just live streams, so I thought that was cool. So if you guys want to request some tutorials, please let me know right now, like in the comments, because I need to, make some tutorials, but I just don't really have many ideas. So today we're going to do the Tm88 Cubeatz, like the Wavy Melodies, you know what I mean? I'm going to play it so you guys can hear it, and then we'll go over the 3 things that will help you make these types of melodies. Alright, so the first thing, the main thing, this is like the most important thing in terms of melodies, is the chord progression. I know, like, a lot of people want to hide from music theory, but like, if you just learn a little bit, it's going to be pretty good for you in terms of what you want to do. So, basically this starts out D sharp minor, then it goes into the 2 in the Phrygian mode, which is the E major, right? And then it goes to G sharp, the 4, which is the G sharp minor with the D inverted, and then back to D sharp minor. So 1, 2, 4, 1, right? And then just a couple notes up top. Like this is the melody. This and these 2 B's, this is the melody. These are the chords. So I'll just play this one pattern real quick. Okay, so then I just layered it a bunch of times, so the fuck? Okay, hold on. Yeah, there you go. With a pad. Okay, that's just basically, so there's like, it fills the spaces of that first melody, because this first melody is, it's just, okay, and then I layered it with this. Basically that turns out into this. So, really the first important thing is like the chords, you know what I mean? You gotta get your chords right. If you want your chords to set a mood, you know what I mean? You've got to have the mood of your song played by the chords. And then your melody is you just throw in a couple notes that complement the chords, you know what I mean? You play chord tones, F sharp, D sharp, but it's D sharp here, but there's no chord here that's D sharp, but it's D sharp here, which is leading into the D sharp chord, and then C sharp B, you know what I mean? B is in this chord, C sharp isn't in the chord. Basically I go over this in that one video I made, how to make melodic beats, basically alternating between playing notes that are in the chord and notes that aren't in the chord, stuff like that. That's really the second step. And then the third step is just simple. Like, I've seen a lot of Cubeatz videos, and they only really focus on this third step, which is you throw some saturation on, you know what I mean, on your melodies. But like, that's like just scratching the surface of it, you know what I mean? Saturation, you can use any saturation plugin. I used to use the Abbey Road, the Waves one, but I switched to this RC retro color because like I like the interface of it. It's easy to use. It loads faster. I mean, they all pretty much do the same thing. A good one you can get is Isotope Vinyl. It's free. So you know what I mean. But this one I just like, I like the layout of this compared to this. But they all pretty much do the same thing. Another free one is Unstable. Unstable comes with like some good presets and stuff. So basically what I usually do is I go on like wobbler, and then I just turn the mix down. You know what I mean? Depending on how much I want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me show you guys the sounds I used. So first sound is this Rhodes guitar in Omnisphere, default like finger thumb piano type thing. Yeah. Second sound is this bell from the 808 Mafia Omnisphere Bank. I would recommend, if you're looking for some Omni banks, these are some pretty good ones. The Palace ones, you Google it, you can buy them from his website. Third, the pad. I think this is the pad, or the other one was the yeah. So this is the pad, same 808 Mafia Omnisphere Bank. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. You know, make sure like you know your theory. A little bit of theory goes a long way. Like you could spend 30 minutes learning theory, and it's gonna save you like hours and hours of making music. You know what I mean? Thank you for watching. Bye.